Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Basically, I have made a separate video for Blue Heaven Hyperstay Liquid lipstick. In that particular video, I got a lot of requests to compare Blue Heaven Hyperstay, that is their new launch, which is this, and compare this particular maybe shades or whatever with their previous launch, which is this. This is Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lipstick. Now when you talk about the packaging and all, it looks very similar, and in recent time one Miss Priya Saha, she has requested me to make a separate comparison video between whatever shades I am having. So in particular Elegance Matte I am having only one shade, that is 08. So that is why I am comparing this particular 08 shade with the new launch Hyperstay, so that you will come to know whether to go for the new launch or you don't require. If you are having already the Elegance Matte, then do you require to go for the new launch, or else that is okay. Right now, before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, if you are new to my channel and if you like what you see, please take out a moment and consider subscribing my channel. Also do hit the bell button so that you will be getting notifications whenever I upload any future uploads. And if you want to ask me anything related to any particular product and you don't want to comment down, then definitely I'll be giving my Instagram handle also on the screen, as well as it will be given in the description box. You can go ahead and you can DM me on Instagram also. I will be more than happy to help you over there. If at all, if it is possible for me, I'll be more than happy. Right now we will just talk about the packaging and everything. We'll directly move toward the video. Elegance Matte, actually it is their previous launch, not exactly previous launch, it is, you can say this is their older version. Maybe this lipstick is in the market from last maybe 1.5 years, more than 2 years, I'm not sure. It looks like this. Right, what they say is Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lip Color. This retails MRP is 105 rupees. It is given over here 105 rupees. Now in this particular, you can say this, they have come up with the new launch, which is their Hyperstay Weighted Liquid Lipstick Blue Heaven. In this I have already made one separate video, and I guess I have swatched 10 shades with and without lipstick, with and without makeup. I'll link that video up in the I button, as well as it will be given in the description box. It is a actually must watch video. You will have all the detailed information about all the shades. I think I have swatched 10 shades, not all, because 2 shades I am not able to get my hands on, and basically I tried to place my order through Blue Heaven's website, and unfortunately my money was stuck over there. Then I had to message them Instagram and all, it was lot of hustle and bustle when I was actually going to review this particular range before that. And then after that I thought I'm not going to get the order, so I left my order over there and I went ahead and placed the order on Purple's website. Officially this particular range has 12 shades, but I got my hands on 10 shades, so already done that. So this is their new launch. We will just compare the packaging. If you see the packaging, you won't make out any difference. Only the difference is in the Elegance Matte they have given you Blue Heaven on the bottom, whereas in the Hyperstay they have given you Blue Heaven over here. Else the name is given easily printed over here. But if someone who doesn't read the name and will just pack the packaging, will just pack the lipstick, they will definitely give you Elegance Matte. Yes, of course, this happened with me lot of times in lot of different reputed e-commerce websites. I do not want to take anyone's name right now, but definitely it happened, and I cancelled my order 4 times. Yes, I had to cancel my order 4 times, and that is why reviewing this particular product was late on my channel, because I was trying to get all the shades together. Cutting it short, this retails now for 115 rupees, and earlier when this was launched, this was MRP is 105 rupees. In this actually I think they have 10 to 12 shades, because right now when I saw on Nykaa 10 shades were available. Few of them already out of stock, but basically 10 shades are there. In this Hyperstay, there are total 12 shades are available. This the shelf life and everything is same company, Blue Heaven. Alright, now when we talk about the availability of Elegance Matte, whoever is having the previous stock, not exactly previous stock, because when I done my research, I came to know that they are going to stop this particular range, and that is why they have come up with this range. So this range is going to be like it is going to stop. Manufacturing is going to stop. So if you are going to purchase this range, please make sure you check the expiry, that is the validity, whatever the expiry date of the product. If you are going to purchase this product, then I don't think there will be any problem, because this is their recent launch. Maybe I think 1 or 2 months is only past, 1 or 2 months, or maybe just nearby. So definitely this is a new launch. So before purchasing Elegance Matte, make sure you check the expiry date. Right now, this is just a simple comparison. What I'll do is I'll just swatch on my hand, and after swatching it, I'll remove my this lipstick, and what I'll do, should I apply one on the upper, that is Elegance Matte on the upper lip and the Hyperstay on the lower lip, so that you can compare both the lips together, or maybe half and half. I'll do whatever, half and half, I think that is better, so that you'll have proper idea. First I'll swatch on my hand, right? Then I'll just pause the video and I'll remove this and I'll apply half and half, and I'll come back, because I don't want to waste your time. Now this is Elegance Matte. No doubt in the shade, they are very like super pigmented, like 10 on 10 for pigmentation and everything. And this is the new launch Hyperstay. Hyperstay one is little bit of liquidy. When I made the video, that time also I said in the video itself, if at all your lips are pigmented, y'all can see the shade comparison. Right, I'll just show you, I'll just tell you, this is the Elegance Matte, this is on this side, this is the Elegance Matte, and this is the Hyperstay. Almost the shade is pretty similar, you can say 99% similar. Only the difference is Elegance Matte is little bit more, you cannot say thick, but little bit thicker consistency, whereas the Hyperstay one is a little bit thinner in consistency. Now what I'll do is I'll just remove this lipstick and I'll come back. Yes, now you all can see side by side comparison. Easily you all can make out. On my left hand side I have Blue Heaven Elegance Matte lipstick, and on my right hand side I have Blue Heaven Hyperstay liquid lipstick. Now if you see the drying part, I have applied both the lipstick, maybe either 1 or 2 seconds here and there, because I just apply half here and half here. This takes, the Hyperstay one takes a little bit more, few seconds to dry out. As I told you, this is little bit more liquidy compared to this Elegance Matte lipstick. So you all can see this shade comparison. So as per my knowledge, the shade number 8 is pretty dang similar. So if you are having the Elegance Matte earlier in the 08 shade, I can just vouch on 08 shade, because I have only that of Elegance Matte. I have the full range, that 10 shades of the Hyperstay, but I don't have 10 shades for Elegance Matte, and that doesn't make actually any sense, because lot of websites are running out of stock for this particular Elegance Matte shades. If at all it would have been possible, I would have purchased it for you all and I would have done the comparison of all the shades, but then actually that doesn't make any sense. As I told you, the company has already stopped manufacturing this, and they are like right now coming out with this Hyperstay, and that is why whatever shades I was available, I was having in my vanity, I tried to compare it, Elegance Matte 8 and Hyperstay 8. So I have just compared it. You all can see, as I told you, left hand side is Elegance Matte, and on right hand side it is my Hyperstay liquid lipstick. I hope this video is going to be of little bit of help. And yeah, of course, one suggestion from my side, if you are having any particular shades in Elegance Matte, don't repeat the shades in Hyperstay. Of course, you all are pretty smart customers, but this is just a suggestion. Suppose if it turned out to be the same, then it is going to be waste of money for you. Of course, this is just a small suggestion. I'm not like telling you don't buy or anything. Just if you are having some any particular shades in Elegance Matte, don't repeat the shades in Hyperstay. Just change the shades and go for some other shades in Hyperstay. Yeah, that is all. I think you will like this video. If at all you have any other video requests or suggestions, just let me know in the comment sections, or else in the DM me. You can DM me on Instagram as well. And Give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.